Union Home Minister Amit Shah is going to be in Jammu and Kashmir for next 2 days. Indian Express has learned that on May 29th and May 30th he would be there, and he would be on May 29th he would be chairing a very high level security review meeting where all the stakeholders who are operating in Jammu and Kashmir would be present. All senior officers would be present there who would be participating in this meeting. This review is being considered important because this is for the first time that the Union Home Minister is visiting Jammu and Kashmir after Operation Sindoor, and secondly because all the indications and all the intelligence inputs suggest that instead of infiltration numbers which were going which were supposed to go down, they have gone all time high. In fact, what Indian Express has learned that when on May 9th, May 10th, when the ceasefire was being declared, that is the time when maximum number of infiltrators had crossed over from POK to the Indian side. In fact, the input suggests that using sectors such as Uri and Kupwara in Kashmir and Hiranagar and Samba in Jammu division as entry points, these infiltrators had crossed over. They had used heavy shelling and firing which was happening from cross border as a cover to sneak in. So, this is a very serious picture which the security forces are painting. They are also saying that despite diplomatic de-escalation which was being worked out that time, this infiltration was going on unabated. So, this is a cause of concern. Now, the number of terrorists who are operating in Jammu and Kashmir, as far as foreign terrorists are concerned, the number is all time high. It is as high as 180. Local terrorists are very few in number, but the foreign terrorists are very hardcore also, and they have got better equipment also, better arms and ammunition also. So, that is the biggest point of worry as far as the security forces are concerned. The levels of alert as far as J&K is concerned, it is all time high, keeping in mind that the Amarnath Yatra is scheduled to start from July 3rd. The Yatra this time would last about 38 days. So, the security grid all around Pahalgam and also Baltal, because these are the two routes from where the Yatra would be taking place, are being fortified. The police presence is being increased because last time when the attack at Baisaran had taken place, that time questions were raised that where were the police forces. This time the Yatra is going to go on for 38 days. This is the time when the security forces are going to be at their topmost alert. That is the reason why even the alert levels all along in Jammu and even in Kashmir Valley have been raised. The area is being fortified. The review is being done simultaneously by the Jammu Kashmir also and intelligence agencies also. Meanwhile, Valley has witnessed as much as about 80% of decrease as far as the flow of tourists is concerned. So, this is again a big concern. The economics of it is a big concern as far as the UT is concerned, the Union Territory is concerned. In fact, on Tuesday, we saw the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Omar Abdullah. There he took a very high level meeting also of his cabinet, where he asked the tourist operators to come and visit Jammu and Kashmir, and ensuring that the safety of tourists would be the prime concern as far as the security forces are concerned. So, all review is going to be happening tomorrow. Day after, the Union Home Minister would be visiting Poonch, where he would be meeting the families who had lost their near and dear ones in shelling. So, this is an important visit security wise, both for the Union Territory also and the intelligence agency also, because this is the highest level of review which would be taking place. In New Delhi, this is Neeta Sharma reporting for Indian Express.